MeghalayaPost.news.
Kakali Bolero jong Pastor McDonald pengrum Jingshah Pynjulor hawa ingdo hakar pesawat tarik ujamang kabare kesengi ublai hakirunar bomla aban itu durkman banagaliang Pulit mentakidang persang panlam lakani ke Jingshah kadon Jingïadei ni bat ke Jingïadei hapo Kam Balang haba crunch kilat pathai kubor mentak kesengi Superintendent of Police ke East Castles uvivek sim ulaya tu bah hakapor kumba khandai chiteng menmiet ki Pulit kilayo jingtip bagakali Bolero rongli jong Pastor McDonald pengrum kabala peniang hasurok hawa ingdo Jingshah Pynjulor hakibenta ke Jingkhang basyadin Uvivek sim ulaong bagi Pulit mentakidang wan ikibale ekatega kam baru banlap laka jingtemu jongki kalong tang bantu ikitiar kibadan hapo kekali nila dadon ganu-ganu kawaipat ke jingtemu ke Basha London.
So yesterday in the evening at about 9:30 we got an information that Pastor McDonald Pengrop's white Bolero, which was parked alongside the road at Coimdor, was vandalized. The rear glass of the vehicle was broken, and for that he has filed an FIR at Jingïadei, and the same was treated as a zero FIR, and which was transferred to Sadar. So Sadar Police Station has taken up a non-cognizable case whereby it's going to be registered after cognizance is received from court. Police is making all efforts to find out the culprit. We also trying to ascertain whether the culprit had intentions of stealing from, because there were things inside the vehicle, and or whether it had ulterior motives.
So, was there any internal among them, any groups?
Yes, I mean already there's a rift in the church, but we will be able to ascertain after we investigate the matter whether it has to do with the rift in the church or whether it is a simple case of crime against property.
The same pastor had to file the FIR on the corruption issue?
Yes, he is the same person.
What is the update on that?
Well, the first case has been charge sheeted, where about 3 crores was found missing. Pastor McDonald has filed an additional FIR that about 4 crores, over 4 crores has been misappropriated. We have taken up that matter with the court, and court has given us direction that it will still continue with the same case only, and in case any new events or evidence crops up, then it's going to be continued with the same investigation.
So total 7 crore?
No.
3 crore initially?
No, the one was 3 crores, and then he's saying no, it's gone beyond 3 crores to about 4 crores and beyond.
MeghalayaPost.news.